All right, figured I'd jump on here, let you know what's going on with our drag race program here. The chassis has been completely stripped. Everything's come out. Epoxy's coming off of it, so we're just checking main areas for cracks, any stress, anything like that. Didn't find anything. It's all good. Keep in mind that it's the back half of that chassis is from '89. Front half is about 4 years old now. Everything's good there. Motor's out. Motor is getting rebuilt. Um, did take a little bit of damage on it. We just basically we found all of the weakest links. Now this motor was built for an LSA blower um, at about 12 pounds of boost, 13 pounds on E85. Then we decided, slap the 1071 on there with the Fuel Tech run methanol. We're with the large pulley. We're about 23, 24 pounds of boost. So it's just too much for it. So there was a few things we got to address. New cranks going in it, new camshaft, all new valve train, new heads. The block's still going to be the same. It is getting bored to a 396. I believe the LQ9 was a 366. So all that's said, we'll be able to make more power, and most importantly, we'll be able to spin it higher in RPM. It's right around 900 feet. We're kind of at RPM. It was either RPM or gear, so it's we knew we needed to upgrade all the valve train and all that kind of stuff. So we just basically saw how far we could take it. We found the limits. We're there. So we're gonna pull all the wiring out. It's all gonna get redone now that we know where everything's going. Motor's gonna be able to handle about 35 pounds of boost now. So we'll put the party pulley on it and see what happens. Other than that, chassis is all good. We're just doing some modifications. We're making a new fuel tank, modifying the seat a little bit, changing the oil pan up. We're making a custom oil pan for it, which is actually being cut right now. So let's go have a peek and show you in the shop, see what's going on. Alright, so since you saw what's going on there, it's quite noisy. What we're building on the CNC machine there is the oil pan. Friends down at Engine Technology down in Cambridge are the ones that actually are redoing the engine for us to handle what we need. So they've, everybody helps out a little bit here and there. So they were kind enough. We got the oil pan specs, and so I'll just give you a quick peek. It looks like. So that's kind of what we're building, and that's what we're cutting. We got a few more things on here, but yeah, that's basically the gist of what's going on the CNC machine. That's actually the that's what's cutting now. Flange we got to do in two pieces. We'll try to keep you guys updated on what's going on, and when the motor gets back, we get all specs and go through all that, and give you a little bit more insight, more candid videos of what's going on. Because we hope to have the motor back by beginning of March. That should give us enough time, and then racing starts up in beginning of April, and then there's a few series on here in Canada, and we're getting down to a few races in the States as well as getting down to Fuel Tech on their dyno, which is gonna be pretty cool too. So, anyways, we'll keep you guys updated, and we'll go from there.